you look back and that's what you've seen. Historically, have you ever seen that?
People get to what?
They finish shooting and they go take the gun off.
My buddy has a cow.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Whatever.
Remember, I haven't shot in a minute.
IPSC too.
We just carry it.
Oh yeah.
Come on. No one cares.
Unload and show clear. If clear, hammer down holster. Range is clear.